Good morning, students. Today we are going to start next part of odd in one, odd one in. Last time we discussed about misbehavior or rude behavior of Rima and her gang. Clique, we can say. Today we are going to start what effect to be seen, how the Malti react over the bad comment or what we can say misbehavior to the other students. Let's start. Malti felt bad about their behavior. Which behavior? Last time we had came to know Rima, she never lost any chance. Rima and her gang never lost any chance to comment, to bad comment, tease or taunt over the Malti. And it has been happening since many days. It has been happening since many days, and one day she felt so sorry about her. One day Malti felt so sorry about her. Malti felt bad about their behavior. One day she was on the verge of tears when Rima mocked at her mercilessly because she said "ux" instead of "ask." When she felt so sorry, when she felt so bad, when Rima mocked her, mock means teasing or laughing, unfairly laughing unmercilessly, sorry, mercilessly, not unmercilessly, mercilessly, because she said "ux" when she wanted to say "ask." We know that the language of Malti is so poor. The language of Malti, English language especially, so poor, and she wanted to say "ask," but she said "ux." And when they heard "ux" from the mouth of Malti, Rima and her gang, they want that only. They started to mock over the how mercilessly. Her voice trembling, Malti said, "I know my English is weak. First time. Today, this is the first time the Malti giving response to the opponents, or we can say classmates." Her voice trembling, Malti said, "I know my English is weak. Yours is good. Please, will you help me to improve it?" This can be done only by the intelligent student only. Why? Because she want to learn English, she want to improve her English. Suppose we would be at the place of Malti, we would not go to get help from such students, from such helpless students, rude students. Even though Malti is asking help from such people who always taunt her again and again. I know my English is weak. Yours is good. Please, will you help me to improve it? I won't be able to help you, my dear. They refuse. They neglect. What you can say? I won't be able to help you, my dear, replied Rima with an exaggerated accent. Speaking proper English isn't easy for you counterfeit types. Speaking in proper English isn't easy for you counterfeit types. Who told? Rima told Malti. Suppose your wish is to improve English, you want to improve English, but it is not easy for you because your English is so weak. Rima told Malti. Malti's face turned red. She wanted to retort but could not find the right words. She burst into tears and ran off. As she said, as Rima said, it is not easy to you to improve English. When Malti heard, she faced, her mood is somewhat became angry, but she could not reply anything because she don't know much English. What kind of words should be used in English? She don't know anything. That's why she quite kept silent herself. That was horrid, Rima, said Shahnaz. Yes, agreed Neha and Claire only. Rima was shocked. Her own friends had turned against her. She walked off in a huff. That was horrid, Rima, said Shahnaz. Yes, agreed Neha and Claire only. Rima was shocked. Her own friends had turned against her. She walked off in a huff. Mrs. Sen found her subdued over lunch but decided not to ask anything. Rima knew that she had behaved very badly. She was too proud to admit it even to herself. How the Rima mercilessly behaved with Mati, that time other friends of Rima did not like it with this behavior, with her behavior. That time Shahnaz, Neha and Claire Roundy. There are other students, friends of the group of. They also, what you can say, kept distance with the Rima. They also turned against of her. She walked off in a huff. Mrs. Sen, the mother of Rima, Mrs. Sen found her subdued over lunch, but decided not to ask anything. Daily, the mother asked something about school to the Rima, but that day she didn't ask anything to the Rima about the school. Rima knew that she had behaved very badly. She realized. Close friends turned back. Close friend turned against of her. Mother turned against of her. Father already disliked the behavior of Rima. That time Rima realized, really I had behaved very badly. She was too proud to admit it even to herself. Means finally at end of the lesson, the Rima realized I behaved very badly. I behaved very mercilessly with the Mati, and at the end of lesson she confessed it over her, what you can say, wrong behavior or indiscipline. Thank you. Today this lesson we are going to stop at finish. It means this lesson is finished. Soon we are going to start the next lesson, and now we can take down the homework. How many minutes? Compare the attitude of both Rima and Malti. Second question. Write any story that you know. Thank you. Have a nice day.